Key considerations for organizing protocol and logistics for overseas diplomatic travel. When organizing overseas travel for a VIP diplomat, even minor errors can have significant consequences. Diplomatic missions demand precision, respect for international customs, and exceptional coordination. A flawless plan signals professionalism and sets the stage for fostering strong international relations and partnerships. Navigating diverse cultural practices is fundamental. Each host country has unique protocols, from appropriate greetings to seating arrangements. Research local customs thoroughly to avoid missteps. Demonstrating cultural sensitivity reflects respect for the host nation, strengthens rapport, and ensures the diplomat's mission proceeds without unintended diplomatic faux pas. Ensuring the safety of the VIP diplomat is paramount. Collaborate with security agencies within the host country to identify potential risks and create contingency plans. From secure accommodations to transportation routes, every detail must be planned to safeguard the VIP while ensuring their comfort and freedom of movement. Effective collaboration with foreign counterparts is critical. Maintain open communication with embassies, consulates, and logistical teams to establish a shared understanding of goals and expectations. Clear and well-timed communication minimizes disruptions, ensuring a cohesive delegation effort that reflects positively on both nations involved. A well-structured itinerary is the backbone of diplomatic travel. Map out every detail, including meeting schedules, cultural events, and downtime, while accounting for potential delays. Share this itinerary with all relevant parties to maintain alignment and maximum efficiency throughout the trip. No matter the preparation, flexibility is key. Unexpected challenges, such as delays, sudden changes in schedules, or diplomatic sensitivities, may arise. Build contingencies into your plan, ensuring the team can adapt quickly to maintain the mission's success and protect the diplomat's image. Media outreach plays a critical role in diplomatic missions. Coordinate with press teams to control the narrative and amplify key messages. Train the team to manage public queries and statements, ensuring information shared aligns with the goals and values of the mission. Miscommunication can derail efforts and harm credibility. Every detail, from how the diplomat is received at airports to seating arrangements at events, must exude respect, dignity, and professionalism. These seemingly small gestures can significantly impact how the mission's intentions are perceived, making the diplomat's presence effective and memorable. Successful diplomatic travel is a collaborative effort that requires foresight, adaptability, and sharp attention to detail. As government officials, your ability to implement these best practices directly contributes to the success of international missions. Start refining your logistics and protocol strategy today to elevate diplomatic engagements to the highest standards. Please visit our website at protocolandpeople.com and book your free consultation session to tailor your needs.